How we doing here? Good morning. GBBC 2023. I am about to load up my Merlin app, and I thought it would be a good opportunity. It is Monday morning. I haven't had a chance to go out all weekend. Busy with the kids and family stuff. You know, it is family day weekend. And so I thought I would go out and do some birding. I'm at East Point Park. There's no one here, which is the best. And so I'm going to bring you guys along and see what I can see and walk through maybe some steps and tips on how to set up the app. This is it right here. You have basically two choices, and I'll maybe explain both of them with some screen captures and, tutorial videos and stuff like that. Oh, someone just showed up here. Not alone. Okay, so basically option one is to use the Merlin app. Now this app is really good if you're not sure what you're seeing, because it asks you a bunch of questions and then it provides you a list of what it could possibly be that you're seeing. Of course, you need to look for certain details. Now, if you're a little more advanced, which I am not, there's also the actual eBird app. And in this app, you start a checklist, and basically you walk around and you see something and you put in what you found, because you know what you're actually looking at. If it's something you don't know, though, it's a little trickier to do that. You need to use the Merlin Bird ID app. So let's get started. I'm going to get all suited up and I will go for a walk. It is windy out, so I don't know how this is going to play out with audio. That'll be interesting. Well, so far, very quiet. I've spotted 2 mallard ducks and 6 mallard ducks and 2 Canada goose. Very quiet. I don't know why it's so quiet. Maybe it's because it's windy. Oh, look over here. It's probably because it's windy out. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out why there's nothing. Oh, there's something in the air there. We'll go take a look.
Changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first
Well, I have hiked a couple kilometers in on this trail here. Nothing but mud and ice. I identified a black-capped chickadee, one going to a bird feeder, and a cardinal, northern cardinal. We're up to about 7 birds.
push on
your drone? Where is it?